Welcome back, a lot of welcome to another episode of the Bull Room. We have a good one for you today. We're back on our crypto marathon, so let's make sure you're liking, sharing, and most importantly, subscribing as we're trying to reach 2,000 subscribers. So help us out with a simple subscribe. Also, I invite you all to check out our website, LatinWealthClub.com, where I post articles about politics and finance. So learn how you can capitalize today. But what's up, AZ, man? How are you doing today?
Good, man. How about you?
Good, bro. I want to talk about crypto cycles just so people can understand that we have a lot of potential, a lot of, upcoming potential. But once again, nothing I say here is financial advice. Everything, is just my personal opinions, knowledge, and everything here is for pretty much educational and entertainment purposes only. What are crypto cycles? Essentially, what crypto cycles are time frames in the crypto market where things go up and things come down, right? So let's get into the first phase, is the accumulation phase, right? We're just leaving or barely getting out of that accumulation phase, right? This is the phase where it goes down, the price went down, things are really cheap. People are like, oh, it's a scam. It didn't work out. You lost a lot of money. I know someone that lost it all, or whatever it may be. This is the time where smart money enters the market and starts buying assets at discount rates. When there's fear in the market, when the economy's not good, when markets are down, people like myself were working hard, and the little extra money they had, they were putting it into the market. That's the accumulation phase. Now, well, actually, we're out of the accumulation phase. I apologize. We're in number 2, the uptrend. We're barely getting into the uptrend. We're leaving the accumulation phase and getting into the uptrend. And this is where prices rapidly increase, like we've seen with XRP, Cardano, Bitcoin also. This is a time where we're going to see new all-time highs. And what did we see with Bitcoin? A new all-time high. Now it's just a matter of time for it to happen for altcoins and altcoin season to start. But we have the uptrend for number 2. And now this is the one that we got to look forward to. Since, we are starting the uptrend, we have to look for signs of the distribution phase of the cycle, which is when the market cools down and prices start to get a little steady, but begin to fall. They go down steady, and people start to leave the market. They start to take profit. That's a distribution phase, right? They call it distribution because they're distributing the profits. But after that, then we have the down market, right? The downtrend. This is the downtrend that's like a gray area because the downtrend will eventually become the accumulation phase. But I consider the downtrend the accumulation phase. Like that's when I kind of start. You know what I'm saying? So it's like that gray area. But just so you guys understand crypto cycles and kind of what to look for. You know what I'm saying? We have to look for when you're going to take profit, or when you're in crypto, you have to take profit, because if you don't take profit, you're not going to make any money. You know what I'm saying? But if you start to see that the market's cooling down, it's starting to get a little stagnant, a little plateau, beginning to fall, we're going to be entering the distribution phase. And even then, you might get confused in the during the uptrend where it kind of consolidates. But you have to look forward to lows being more bottom. See what I'm saying? Like when it goes down, it's making a new low every time. When it's making a new low every time, that's a distribution phase. But when it's going up and making like its new low is actually a high. See what I'm saying? Like the low was right here, it goes up, came back down, but now the low's up here, it goes up, came back down, but now the low's up here. That's an uptrend. Yeah. The downtrend would be it goes down, goes up a little bit, goes down, goes up a little bit, goes down.
Lower lows.
Yeah, so lower lows is something to look forward to when it comes to distribution. Just to put that out there for you guys. But, it's kind of short and sweet, but I just want to add like a little bonus information. There's a couple of things that will, move the market and start these cycles. And one of them is going to be the Bitcoin halving. The Bitcoin halving typically starts the uptrend cycle for Bitcoin itself. But like a year later, historically, altcoin season will start, and that's when altcoins like XRP, Cardano, ADA, and Ethereum will hit new all-time highs. Now, that's what I believe is happening now. I believe we're again in the beginning stages of that, but I'm excited for the future, bro. What about yourself?
Yeah, man. No, I mean, I'm very excited, and I think it's pretty. I think we should say like maybe some upcoming stuff for XRP that we're expecting that maybe could help us kind of like figure out when we're gonna sell.
XRP?
Yeah.
I'm not selling until 20.
Until $20, really?
Yeah, I'm gonna try.
Because I'm thinking like, okay, well, we have the news with Gary Gensler coming up, right?
Oh, yeah.
Hopefully that's gonna happen pretty soon, and then after that, hopefully the XRP.
Well, I am gonna cash out before summer for sure.
Okay.
Like, I'm not gonna cash all of it out though. Like, I'm gonna cash out a good amount. So
Yeah.
I think I'm gonna look for the first quarter. I'm gonna look for that $6 to $7 range.
And then when are we thinking that the XRP, the ETF will happen?
I think as soon as we get a replacement, bro.
Oh, you think as soon
I
as
think
that happens?
I think as soon as we get a replacement, like I'm not gonna say like the first minute, right?
Yeah,
he's
yeah,
into
yeah,
office. But what I'm saying is as soon as we get a replacement, I think he's gonna revise the case, settle the case, and then they'll probably approve him.
Okay.
Like shortly after.
Yeah. So I
know?
feel like
I think everything for sure first quarter.
Oh yeah.
Everything first quarter.
Okay. So you're gonna be out by second quarter,
Maybe middle.
middle of the second one.
Because I feel like the uptrend kind of goes into the first uptrend kind of goes towards the beginning / middle of Q2.
Right. Okay.
Sometimes
So you're gonna sell,
it
like,
goes into
maybe
March.
More like
it goes
spring,
into
you're gonna
March.
sell
Yeah.
springtime.
Like
Right before
March,
summer.
March, April.
Okay. Okay.
That's what I'm saying, like early Q2, late
Okay.
Q1.
So you think it'll still run even after like all the announcements?
Yes, it's gonna run, and then because I feel like that's what people are gonna FOMO.
Oh,
The
you
ETFs
think-
is gonna make mainstream media. The ETFs will make mainstream media.
Yeah.
But what we're looking for in Q4 would be more FOMO at the fact that people just want to
Get in now early, quote unquote early.
Correct.
And
And that's not to say that we have more Bitcoin ETF. I mean Bitcoin. That's not to say that we have more XRP ETF filings that might be approved.
right.
Yeah.
Right. That's just like one guy or one ETF being approved.
A couple. There's 3 right now. So like let's say
they
those
have
3
three
get
right now.
those 3
Oh,
get
okay.
accepted. That's cool. But then
Okay.
let's say there's 2 more banks or 2 more
They try to
brokerages.
go
Yes.
with it. Yeah. Right. So basically, each time,
I pretty much
basically-
just believe that like the whole year of 2025, there's gonna be a lot of filings. The same way like how we had pretty much what happened to Bitcoin this year, I feel like it's gonna happen to XRP next year.
did Bitcoin have a movement every time a bank applied for an ETF?
No.
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 After the first few, it was kind of like, okay, whatever. Like,
Yeah, but you gotta also remember most of these banks kind of wait for that. So they wait after that FOMO, that first Q1 FOMO goes back down, and that's when they start buying in.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
So they start buying in throughout the whole summer. Right.
When
On
the
the
price
low,
dips down again.
because the media is like confusing everyone with
Talking
some
about
other
stuff.
things.
Yeah.
And then Q4 comes around and they start pushing it. The media will start pushing it again. FOMO will start to happen, but now these banks are already in.
Mm.
And let's say it went from like $7 down to back down to $3-4. Now it's probably sitting at $5. See what I'm saying? Now we're in position to hit that 10, 15,
Right.
jump.
Right.
So you just gotta put that in perspective.
Yeah,
when it comes down
for
to
sure.
it.
Yeah, I thought it was just good to kind of go over that a little bit.
Yeah, I mean, I $20 is crazy, but I do believe like $10 is more than possible.
Honestly,
Easily.
yeah. With the amount of money that I saw that come in just in the past couple of days,
Just with a
when it
rumor,
moved,
with a
yeah.
rumor and
Yeah.
relisting.
Yeah, exactly. It was kind of crazy, and I was like, okay, now you can kind of see.
But
How much
you also
potential.
see how many people are brainwashed. Because you could have bought this thing a long time
long
ago
time ago.
on Coinbase.
Yeah, when it was cheap.
Wait, on
Yeah.
Coinbase, bro.
Yeah. It's true.
You know?
It's just, I guess people. I mean, for me anyway, I can't speak on other people. For me, it was always like,
I'm just not too sure about it.
yeah, I don't get it. One, I don't get it. Two, I don't know. I didn't believe that.
Like, bro, I was just a big bad wolf that knows that there's people out there like you. So I was like, let me get in early. Let me get in early because it's player versus
Yeah,
player,
it's
and
true.
I'm trying to
That is
profit. I'm
true.
trying
That
to
is true.
I'm trying to liquidate and burn you. Sorry for anyone that's out there barely buying.
Who's gonna get liquidated by a big NPO here?
You on me? I'm a rug pull you motherfuckers. But with that being said, all money and no money out. Stay dedicated, stay motivated, and we'll see you on the next one. Out of Wealth Club. Don't be a little bitch.